Oh man, you an angry motherfucker, dude. Ooh, I can't wait to fight you, man. It's probably gonna suck, but that's awesome. They are mine. And I almost have all the lore. There's only 3 more lore up in here. Only 3 more visions up in here. I guess I am coming towards the end. And only 4 more tutorials. Dash hints. People. 6 more peoples. More peeps. A few more creatures. 11. Not bad. Shit ton of artifacts. Shit ton of these things. But we'll get to those soon. Alright, so I'll see you guys. No war chiefs. 1 out of 5 branded. Can I, like, brand all the war chiefs? Oh, that's my next quest, is to brand all the war chiefs. Oh, wait, one of my quests, I guess. That's fucking awesome. So pretty much everybody under them is mine. That'd be cool. Go brand this guy. Of course, they're all unknown. What are vulnerable to mountain beasts. Branded can be grabbed without requiring low health. Nice. Damaged by combat finishers. Nice. Invulnerable to stealth, invulnerable to range. Continually heals rapidly. Cannot be terrified. Never flees. Well, that's awesome. He's fearless. Alright, well, yeah, I'll see you guys in a second here once I'm done with all this stuff. Alright, guys, I'm back. And, oh. Oh. I don't see nothing. What is that? Sorry. Anyways, so apparently, as I mentioned before I left, and also I got a few more hours tonight, or I get an hour or 2. Run, guys. I don't know what I blew up, but you probably don't want to stick around to find out. Yeah, as I mentioned right before I left, apparently there's, I need to brand all 5 war chiefs. So I think I'm going to go take care of that first by going around and finding, intel off some random orcs, finding these people and getting the whole branding thing on. Hopefully I don't have to go through the whole steps of making a war chief, a lesser war chief, get up through oh my, he's fucking them up. Hopefully I don't have to go through that whole process again. Hopefully I can just just go for the war chief himself. Ooh, there is a squealer right over here. What do you know? Which one is it? That one. The one in front needs to stay alive. Alright, let's take 1 down. 2 down. Bitch! Beating the crap out. Hold on, guys. I got this. Oh my god, dude. That was so fucking funny. Descend on his supporters to draw him out. He has 3 bodyguards. Vulnerable to stealth finishers. Nice. Can be killed instantly using stealth finishers. That would be amazing, except for the fact that I need him alive. So, damaged by combat finishers. That's good, because most of them can be. Alright, sweet, perfect. Where's he at? Oh, yeah, you're good. I don't need you anymore. I like how I tackle him. And they just start kicking him and shit. Run, fellers. Oh my god, that was fucking hilarious. Okay, so he's over here. Oh my god, that thing's still large. There's a guy running at him, dude. Are you crazy? I'd get the fuck out of there. Alright, so he is way up here, which is awesome, because then we can get that on our way up there. That's sweet. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Alright, let's head up and try to dodge this guy. Let's let our enemies deal with that. Because I sure as hell ain't. Man, he's all yours, man. He is all yours. I ain't crazy. Man, y'all motherfuckers are insane. I would never fuck with that kind of stuff. Oh, there's a hunting mission that I don't want to be a part of. At the Mo.
The glove must have sustained some kind of leg injury in his last fight. Why else would he ride around on a catapult like a...
What? Someone's riding around on a Caragor, huh? I like. So yeah, we're gonna spend next little bit just getting control of all the these war chiefs before we start doing the other missions. Since we only apparently have like 5 left to go, and then we're done with the main storyline, I guess. I don't know how the fuck that works, but we'll find out once we get there, I guess. Okay, over here. Oh, it's right up here. Climb it up. Climb it up. Oh, that didn't work. This one was fine. Oh, is that some of the green stuff? I think I... No, that's not the green stuff I need. Son of a bitch. I'm looking for the pipe weed for my...
The elven stones luminous as if they were cast from light.
Oh, he's gonna help me fight them. Right? Or is he just chilling there? I think he's just chilling there. I don't think he's gonna help me. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'm trying to get that survival challenge done. Speaking of challenges, I should go to High Cliff if I can. Is there any birds around here? While I'm here? I mean, you know. You want to see any birds? Oh, miss. Are those birds? Those aren't birds. That's ash. I thought those were birds. Yeah, I hear birds. Yo, where your bird asses be at? Okay. Well, I'll deal with... Oh, bird! Get fucked! Ah, I got 2 of them.
Look in your eyes. You gonna cry, huh? I'll give you something to cry about soon.
Okay, I don't take kindly to that shit. How dare you be mean? You good, man? You good? You're welcome. Anyways, let's get this challenge started, huh? Yeah, Berserkers are strong, man. Some strong shit. What does that meat do again? I don't remember. Oh, it attracts Caragors, of course. Why?
I can't wait to see how much hatred the Dark Lord has saved up in his heart.
Oh. I thought it was going to be something else. Descend on him, portals to draw him out. Yeah, before confronting him, obviously. 'Cause how else am I going to brand him?
This war chief lives in fear. Bring death from above to drive him into the open.
No problem. Can do, will do, would love to do so, sir. And anyone I find along the way is mine.
And what do I find this morning? Rebane picking at all the good meat on him.
Oh god, that's a captain over there, isn't it? You don't find many can I? Oh nope, I'm gonna yeah, I think that's a captain over here, unless he's the one I need to stealth finish. Yeah, I think they have a captain over here, man. That's not good. Rain out from above, because in the midnight hour, cry more. Alright, you. Just let that drain so I can regain it.
I'll carve out the grave.
What was what noise? I didn't hear anything. Ding dong! Hey, ding dong! This music is intense, man. Oh god, it's the wrong one.
Today, we shall be anointed in your blood.
Yep, I knew it was. I told you this was a commander.
Hearing from my boys how you kill and kill from the shadows.
Do something about
Time to
it.
bring you into the light.
Trying to take control of you, dude. Oh. You need to get out of here, because I can't deal with it. He's just like, yeah, that's happening. He's just going to town on my enemy. Oh, sorry, dude. I didn't mean to. That was a... You are my captain now! Yeah, I do drink the blood of the orcs. What happened to the other guy? I guess he died. So I guess I gotta find new supporters. Anyways, let me look at his army now. Oh, man. So all these guys support this motherfucker? Hey, you're mine now, dude. That's fucking awesome. I love that I can take hold of these guys. I don't know if it's forever, but I can at least capture them. See you. Alright, this guy needs to be dropped like a motherfucker. Get me dropped like a motherfucker! See ya.
Well, if it was something, then it better stay away.
Oh, don't mind me. Oh! Didn't mean to do that one. Hey, what's up? How's it going? You don't tell shit. Oh, you poisoned me, you little... Of course, that's why you poisoned me.
Man kill many Uruk. No more!
Dude, that's so cool. Because I have a, if you don't know, oh, nope, not happening. I have, Alienware laptop. And, usually it doesn't, like, I don't even know how to change the colors on it, if I'm being honest. But usually... Oh, my archer's putting in work for me. I am not executing no one. Usually it just does no game except for Dungeon Fitters too, for some reason, I've noticed. Response to it. Hold on, guys, don't kill him. Don't kill him, I want him. Damn, he's dead. I wanted an archer on my team. Oh well, thank you guys for the help. I appreciate it. Anyways, I gotta try not to die. No survivors, you are not going to. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, usually the colors don't do anything. But, like, I just noticed right now, when I was poisoned, my computer was, like, it was green. Like, the color of everything, even the logo was green. And it was flashing. It's like, you know, it was, like, flashing slowly green. Just like my screen was, because I was poisoned. And then right there, when I had, like, low health, it was like my whole keyboard and everything was like red, and it was like flashing with the heartbeat, like red, 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 red. Oh, that's fucking cool. Attaboy, Alienware. I know I paid for you for some fucking reason. Nah, I do love my computer. It's fucking awesome. I still have not been killing these things, these guys the right way. And I wanted that war chief, but you know what are you gonna do? You get what you get. Who's raising the alarm? Better not raise no fucking alarm, dude. You don't even know where I am. Or do you? He'll be mine too. Get up! What's up? 2 down. How's it going? You didn't stay afraid for very long. A foolish mistake. Oh man. I can't really see half of that, but look badass. Ain't no one setting off that alarm, I'll tell you that right now. I see my war chief over there. He seems to be putting in work. Oh, wrong button. Okay, I don't think anyone else knows I'm here. Sounds like they know I'm here, but I don't think anyone else knows I'm here. Oh shit.